I'm Tina. I'm full-time into property now. Okay.
So you're full-time in property now. Are you joining the academy?
A little over the year.
How you found the academy?
I love it. I think for me, it's the networking. It's amazing. As you can see, there are plenty of people. And all my deals are in this network. But besides that, it's the mentoring, which really has helped me all this while.
Has the academy helped to get the confidence to build your own business?
Of course, I started off with one property. I have about 4 essays right now, signing 2 more service accommodations. That takes care of my cash flow. And I have 2 flips, and I've just invested in Dubai. It's thanks to the academy. Yeah.
So tell me about Samuel. Tell me what it's like working with him, the team.
Sorry, I couldn't hear you.
So tell me about what it's like working with Samuel and what it's like working with the team.
Working with Samuel is amazing. I crew for him as well, but I think he's really available for the academy members. I've seen that myself. And about the team, I love the team. Know each of them. Most of the mentors. I've been talking to them for different stuff. I book calls almost every week. But yeah, it's amazing.
What's his energy like?
Sorry?
What's Samuel's energy like?
Oh my God. It's difficult to match his energy. It's really difficult to match his energy. So if you go for the 4-day programs, he's outstanding every single day till the last day. So it's crazy. And it's off stage and on stage. So it's amazing.
Cool. And so anyone who is thinking about getting involved with the crash course, what would you say to them?
If you want to get into property, the only place to be is the crash course. It starts there. I started in 2019, was my first crash course. Went back to my corporate world, but I came back last year and I signed up to the academy straight on. So if you want to get into property, you're serious about starting on your own, you're serious about property and being an entrepreneur, this is the place.